Tomatoes are a staple food in many dishes and have long been recognized for their nutritional value and health benefits. They are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and are widely consumed all over the world. This page aims to provide an overview of the efficacy and potential health benefits of tomatoes. Nutritional value. Tomatoes are low in calories and are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. They also contain significant amounts of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes a red color. In addition, tomatoes are rich in fiber that helps promote healthy digestion and weight management. A reduced risk of heart disease. One of the best studied health benefits of tomatoes is their potential to reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, and reducing the incidence is a major public health goal. The mechanism by which tomatoes can reduce the risk of heart disease is through high levels of lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that has been found to reduce LDL cholesterol levels, a risk factor for heart disease. In addition, lycopene can help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, another factor in heart disease outbreaks. Several large-scale observational studies have found that increased intake of tomatoes and tomato-based products reduces the risk of heart disease. A meta-analysis of 21 studies found that increased tomato intake was associated with a 10% decrease in cardiovascular disease risk. Another study found that men who consumed more than 10 servings of tomato-based products a week had a 30% lower risk of heart disease than men who consumed less than 1.5 servings a week. However, not all studies have found an important link between tomato intake and heart disease risk. Some studies have found that the protective effects of tomatoes may be limited to certain populations, such as women and individuals at high risk of cardiovascular disease. Overall, evidence of a link between tomato intake and heart disease risk is mixed, but the high content of lycopene and other beneficial compounds in tomatoes makes them a healthy choice for those who want to improve their heart health. Improvement in eye health. Tomatoes are good for your eyes, too. This is because they contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two important nutrients that are important for maintaining good eyesight and preventing macular degeneration related to aging. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids found in the macula of the eye, the part of the retina responsible for central vision. They act as filters to protect the eyes from damaging blue light and to neutralize free radicals that can damage the eyes. Several studies have found that higher intake of lutein and zeaxanthin is linked to lower risk of AMD. In one study, those who ate the highest levels of nutrients had a 43% lower risk of AMD than those who ate the lowest levels of nutrients. Another study found that people who ate at least 3 servings of tomatoes a week had a 35% lower risk of developing AMD than those who ate less than 1.5 servings a week. In addition to lutein and zeaxanthin, tomatoes' high vitamin C content can also help eye health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress and can reduce the risk of cataracts, a blurred lens that can lead to vision loss. Overall, including tomatoes in your diet can be an easy and delicious way to improve good eye health and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. A reduced risk of cancer risk. Tomatoes are also associated with reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, especially prostate cancer. This is due to the high content of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been found to have anti-cancer effects. Several studies have found that higher intake of lycopene is linked to a lower risk of prostate cancer. In one study, men who consumed more than 10 servings of tomato-based products a week had a 35% lower risk of prostate cancer than men who consumed less than 1.5 servings a week. In addition to prostate cancer, lycopene can also reduce the risk of other types of cancer, such as lung, breast, and stomach cancer. One study found that women with high levels of lycopene in the blood had a 50% lower risk of breast cancer than women with low levels. The exact mechanism by which lycopene reduces the risk of cancer is not fully understood, but it is believed to be due to its antioxidant properties. Lycopene can neutralize free radicals, an unstable molecule that can damage cells and cause cancer. Lycopene can also help regulate cell growth and inhibit the formation of new blood vessels necessary for tumor growth and spread. Although the evidence for the link between tomato consumption and cancer risk is not completely consistent, the high content of lycopene and other beneficial compounds in tomatoes makes tomatoes a healthy additive to a balanced diet. However, it is important to note that consuming large amounts of separate lycopene supplements may not have the same beneficial effects as consuming lycopene through whole foods such as tomatoes. Improve skin health. Tomatoes are a rich source of vitamins and antioxidants that can help improve skin health. The high content of vitamin C in tomatoes is especially beneficial for skin health because it helps promote the production of collagen, a protein important to maintain healthy skin. In addition to vitamin C, tomatoes contain other important nutrients that are beneficial to skin health, including vitamin A, potassium, and lycopene. In particular, lycopene has been shown to protect the skin from UV damage, a major cause of skin aging and skin cancer. Some studies have found that including tomatoes in your diet can improve skin health. In a study, women who consumed tomato paste for 12 weeks increased their skin protection against UV damage by 33%. Another study found that consuming a lycopene-rich tomato paste for 12 weeks improves skin texture and reduces fine wrinkles and wrinkles. Overall, tomatoes' high levels of vitamins and antioxidants make them a healthy choice for those who want to improve their skin health. In addition to eating tomatoes, other lifestyle factors are also important to maintain healthy skin, such as protecting skin from the sun, maintaining moisture, and getting enough sleep. Improvement of bone condition. Tomatoes have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Therefore, eating anti-inflammatory foods such as tomatoes can be beneficial to your overall health. The anti-inflammatory effect of tomatoes is thought to be due to the presence of several compounds, including lycopene, beta-carotene, and quercetin. These compounds work together to reduce inflammation by neutralizing free radicals and inhibiting the production of inflammatory compounds in the body. Some studies have found that eating tomatoes can reduce signs of inflammation in the body. In one study, men who consumed tomato juice every day for 3 weeks showed a significant decrease in indicators of inflammation compared to the control group. Another study found that eating a tomato-rich diet for 20 days reduces inflammation and improves blood lipid levels in overweight women. In addition to reducing inflammation, the anti-inflammatory properties of tomatoes can also help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. One study found that men with higher levels of lycopene in the blood had a significantly lower risk of heart disease than men with lower levels. Including tomatoes in your diet is a simple and delicious way to improve your overall health and reduce the risk of inflammation-related chronic diseases. However, it is important to note that the anti-inflammatory effect of tomatoes is only a piece of the puzzle when it comes to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. A healthy and balanced diet, regular exercise, and other lifestyle factors are also important for maintaining optimal health. Anti-inflammatory effect. Tomatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps control digestion by adding volume to the feces and promoting regular bowel movements. In addition to fiber, tomatoes contain a variety of nutrients that can support healthy digestion, including vitamin C and potassium. Eating tomatoes can also help reduce the risk of digestive problems such as constipation, diverticulitis, and colon cancer. A study published in the U.S. Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that men who consumed more tomato-based products had a lower risk of colon cancer than men who consumed less. Tomatoes also contain compounds that can help improve the balance of bacteria in the gut. One study found that consuming tomato juice for 2 weeks improves the balance of gut bacteria in healthy adults. This is important because the balance of intestinal bacteria plays an important role in maintaining overall health, including digestion and immune function. It is worth noting that for some people, eating tomatoes can worsen digestive problems such as acid reflux or irritable bowel syndrome. In this case, it may be best to avoid or limit tomato consumption to avoid inconvenience. However, for most people, including tomatoes in a healthy and balanced diet can be a beneficial way to support digestive health. Conclusion. In conclusion, tomatoes are a very nutritious food that offers a variety of health benefits. They are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and are linked to improved heart health, eye health, skin health, and bone health. In addition, the anti-inflammatory effects of tomatoes can help prevent chronic diseases. Including tomatoes in your diet is an easy and delicious way to improve your overall health and well-being.